Okay, so hello. Now can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, so your voice is very slow.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, so now it's clear. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now it's great. Okay. So hope are you well? And basically you can send me a code link. This code link, you try to face some problem on Google Earth Engine. Okay, so now let's talk about this problem.
Yeah. I'm looking at how I
So
can
is there
export
a way
all
of
of
how
them once.
download the data for the whole classes once, yes, instead of the
Yes.
copying the up one after other? Yeah, so if you want, you can also download the data for the whole classes in each year. Suppose a specific time, year of 2021 or year of any time period, you can also download it the data for the all of the classes. Okay, so for that, okay, so you can send me this. Okay, okay, you can download all of those data. Yeah, so it's also possible. And in this code, you can, okay. So now what you want to need in this code? Okay, so what is the problem in this code?
Uh, One, I can download all the data.
Yeah, all the data such as you need to download it the all of the classes such as
Yes.
yeah, all of the classes data you want to download, and what's the format you want to need? TIFF format.
I think so, yes.
Yeah, so TIFF.
And the graph as well.
Uh,
And the time series.
Time series means that you want to calculate it, the area and create the time series like that.
Yes, for each of the VIs, for each of the
Each of the,
NDVI.
so I think
Can I
previous,
can I
yeah, so previous day we
can I
also,
share my screen?
yeah, you can share the screen, that's better. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so simply share the screen. Yeah. Yeah, so now it's visible.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah.
So how can I get all this graph like this?
So graph,
Then
you
also
already generate the graph. Yeah.
now the problem is I'm generating them one by one instead
Okay,
of
so in
generating
this
them for
time,
one class.
this graph is creating only for the one class. One class means that
Yes,
only for the crop flat. But in this time, you
yes,
want to create the graph. All of those classes result you want to display at the same graph.
yes,
Yeah. Okay. So it's also possible for that, and it also better display for your data. So in the same meantime,
yes,
we can get all of those classes, and all of the classes. What is the condition for the NDVI? What is the condition for the ET? What is the condition for the
yes,
SABI? We can get all of those classes
then
at the same time. Yeah. So it also
yes,
possible for that. Yeah.
and also get the map and also get the TIF maps
What's the map?
for
It's
all the classes.
NDVI map, or I don't understand the second part about that. What's the map you want to need?
This TIF like the map for NDVI, SAVI, EVI, you can see my cursor.
Yeah.
That place I'm
Okay. So in this
uh,
time, it's just only showing the time series chart, not showing the map.
yes,
Okay. Okay. So it also possible, and we can get this NDVI map, EVI map, all of the things at a. Okay. So first of all, we try to solve the problem about that. How you can easily create the uh, all of those classes at the same time. You want to create and observe what is the NDVI, what is the SAVI. So this type of analysis, first of all, we try to do, and then we also move to the making the map NDVI, all of the things. Okay. Okay. So first of all,
Then
I will. Okay, and then what's
can all this map, can I get it in just one map, all of them, like NDVI, SAVI, EVI, in one map? Is it possible?
no, it's not possible. For the in this time when you want to do that, it also overlay. It overlay with the NDVI, EVI, SAVI. It also overlay. So that's why when you want to represent
Okay,
it, this type of map, you want to make the separately NDVI map, SAVI map. Okay, this type of map you want to create the separately and also do that.
okay.
Okay. Okay. So first of all, okay. So first of all, okay. So in this time, I want to
Hello?
yeah.
The last problem I have is that there is no satellite image for 1992 in my study area and 1997.
Okay. So this is another problem. So I
I
think
don't
it
know if you can check.
yeah, 1992 and also 1997.
Yes, for my study area, there is no
It's the
satellite
Lancet
image.
image, yeah, Lancet.
Yeah.
Okay, so it also okay. Then we have to also use the another image collection for that. Then we can easily get this type of result. There is no problem. Okay, okay. So let's go about our first problem. We try to solve that, and next we also try to think about that. Okay, so let's go. So in this time, I will. Okay, so okay, just a minute. I simply open my code and then share this screen.
Okay. Let me share the link with you.
Yeah, I can also share the link with me. Then it's so better. Yeah.
I've sent it through WhatsApp.
Can you share the in the Google Meet? Then it's so better. Otherwise, I also need to open the WhatsApp again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Class 1992. Okay. I should stop sharing.
Yeah. So now I can stop the sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, and I also share the screen. Okay, so let's go about that. Okay, so before applying this method in this code, first of all, I will try to show my previous code about that. Then you can get the idea, and you can easily use the same idea on your work. I hope. So let's go. So okay, so I want to open my code. That is pricing open. Okay, so in this time we want to observe what is the condition for all of those classes for NDVI. what is the condition for all of the classes for the NDVI. We try to make that. Okay, so this is our land use land cover classification map. And now I want to observe all of the classes. What is the condition for this NDVI times NDVI, or same process you can also apply for the SAVI. Same process you can apply for the other types of indices for creating the time series chart. Okay, so just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go about our code. So in this time here you can see I created this area, and I also make the classes such as I make the class for that water, urban, vegetation, and barren land. In this time I want to create the NDVI. What is the NDVI condition for the water, urban, and vegetation, and barren land for any specific time period? Okay, so let's go about that. First of all, we need to create the classes. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, I simply create a comment. Suppose I want to connect to the raster to vector conversion. Okay, first of all I need the raster to vector conversion for all of those. Suppose water, urban, vegetation, barren land, I want to convert it from raster to vector. So for that, what can I do? So first of all, I simply take a variable. Suppose I put the variable name such as water. Okay, in this water I want to call my classified image. So here you can see my classified image variable name. What is the variable name? So this classified variable name is classified. I simply copy this variable name and then paste here. Then I need to select what is the value. What is the value for the water? I need to select. So simply use here the equal to 0. Okay, because water is the 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. After that, I also take a variable, suppose urban. Okay, and put this classified and set equal to what's the value for urban? Urban is that 1. And then take the another variable. Suppose this variable is that I can put the variable name, suppose vegetation, and call this classified image. Basically, classified this variable stored my full land use land cover classification. Okay, then equal to set, I set the 0, 1, then what is the vegetation for 2, and also set for the another variable, suppose bare land, and use here this classified and set equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I can simply select my all of those class. Okay, so now I need to just make this raster to vector. So in this time all of the things will be raster.